So here on all of the list of my website that you can access after you log in, or if you are on the Wix dashboard, you can just click right here on the Wix logo icon at the top left of your screen, which will take you here later. As you can see right now, the first part of my URL is tutorial with Sena. And then to change this one, the first part of your URL, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then hit on your profile picture. Then you want to go to account settings. Here on the account info at site URL prefix, you can just change your first part of your URL. Just click right here on the pencil icon. But before that, just a little reminder that when you change this site URL prefix, it will automatically change the first part of URL of all of the website that you have on your account. So for example here, if I have these two websites, the first one is named tutorial with Sena and the second one is named tutorial with Sena 2. If I do change the website URL from this site, the second site will also change the name of it. To do this, you can just click on the pencil icon at the site URL prefix. And then here on site URL prefix, just change to the one that you like. You can see the preview change right here. So for example, I want to change it to how to tutorial. And as you can see, the first part is changing. Just click on save. And then if there are this red icon, it means that the name is already taken and then you want to change it to another one. Just click on save after that. And there you go. If I go back to the Wix site, if I go back to the list of my website, as you can see, the first part is changing. And that's how to change the first part of Wix URL. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.